Hey guys, so the very first thing that I'm going to use today is the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Penetrating Strength and Superfood Infusion Apply to Dry Overnight Mask. I'm actually going to take out my hair first. Probably should have done that first, but yeah, so I'm gonna take out my hair and then I'll apply this mask for you guys. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I just rinsed out the Apply to Dry Overnight Deep Conditioner. My hair feels soft, so what we're gonna do next is we're going to start shampooing my hair. So this is kind of different from the way I usually do it, but I assume that it's because it's an overnight mask, you want to wash all of that out. So the next thing that I have to do is the No Poo Conditioning Cleanse Foam. It's a lather-free cleanser, conditioner, and co-wash all in one. So we're gonna see. I like foams, honestly. I don't use foams as often as I'd like to, but whenever I do use a foam, I like it. So we're gonna see, how my hair's feeling with this. I also sent the crocodile clips, some Main Choice crocodile clips, and also this microfiber towel. Make sure y'all can see that. Okay, all right, so I'm putting it throughout my hair. Let me move over here so y'all can see everything. Oh, this is lathering. Honestly, this is like a shampoo. They're not lying. Like, this is literally like, my hair is just gliding through my hair. Okay guys, so I've applied it completely throughout my hair. The directions say to let it sit for 60 seconds and then rinse it out. So I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute and then I'll rinse it out. I'll see you guys when I rinse this out. The first thing I'm gonna start with is leave-in conditioning cream. This is the Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It's a deeply penetrating leave-in conditioner, has emollients, it improves elasticity, it has silk amino acids for strength. It leaves hair soft, silky, and smooth. It provides protection from the elements, and it hydrates and locks in lasting moisture. I'm gonna put in, I don't know where it is, the Prickly Pear Paradise Penetrating Strength and Superfood Infusion Curl Creator Styling Custard. I'm just gonna smooth this through my hair generously. So what I'm just doing now is taking piece by piece and swirling it. I haven't done this in so long, but I love my results every time I do. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Hey guys, so I completed my entire head. I'm going to let my hair air dry for a few hours before I blow dry it, just so that it doesn't get frizzy. And then I'll come back with the final results. So see you in. Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is about, I would say like 80% dry. It's kind of wet like at the roots, but the rest of my hair is pretty much dry. And guys, I'm actually so shocked at the hold that the Curl Creator Styling Custard actually ended up having. It's almost like a gel hold. Like it's not like a 10 level 10 hold, but it's more like a level 7 hold, where it's like it holds the curl in place without giving you that super crunchy feeling. Honestly, it may be obvious, but I just didn't expect that kind of hold from this. I assumed my hair was just gonna be like frizzy in some parts, tightly coiled in others, and that's usually what happens when I use a styling custard instead of a gel. But you guys, like, this is like next level definition for me personally. I don't know if it's because I'm type 4 or because I'm low porosity or some mixture of the two, but my hair just doesn't define that quickly without a gel. Like, my hair defined, but for it to stay defined, it usually needs some sort of a gel. So this like shocked me. I'm honestly surprised. I'm going to continue using this, likely for twist outs. Now that it's getting colder, I tend to do more twist outs. So I really love the product. I loved how it came out. I loved everything about it. Everything here I loved. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. And let me know any videos you want to see next, any tutorials or just simple talk videos that you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video.